So for this quiz, first of all, what we need to do is times 2 to those values that highlighted in yellow. So factor of 2 now became factor of 4, 5% became 10%. And for the partial credit 1, in order to get a total speed up, first of all, we know that MIPS FP is the one that has the speed up, which is a factor of 4, and MIPS FP is 10%. So with that information, we just put that plug in right into the auto slot formula, which is S equal to 1 over 0.1 divided by 4 plus 0.9, and that gave us the answer, the speed up, which is equal to 1.081. So in this equation, 0.1 divided by 4 is that 10%, which is MIPS FP, divided by the speed up, which is 4, plus the rest of the 90%, and that's how we get it. For partial credit 2, from the question, 10% is the part that been taken by the MIPS FP, and it also has a speed up of factor of 4. So now the time for the MIPS FP is became that 10% divided by the speed up, which is 4. The value is 0.025. And the rest of 90% is just the normal time. We don't have to do anything about it. So in order to get a percentage, actually what I did was use the ratio of time to figure it out. So now 0.025 is the time that we just get for the MIPS FP, right? The new time. And now the rest of 90%, it doesn't change. Now we use the 90% plus 0.025, which is became the new total time. And in order to get a percentage, we use 0.025 divided the total time, and that gives us the answer, which is 2.7%. And for the partial credit 3, first of all, the $5 now is $10 because we have the times 2. We highlighted in yellow. Now from the part 2, we got the percentage for the unenhanced MIPS FP is 2.7%. Now assume the performance for the MIPS nights is P, and we also given by the question the price for the MIPS nights is $10. So now per dollar performance is P divided by 10. Now we assume the price for the MIPS FP is a dollar sign. We're gonna put that in later in the function as well. So now the total dollar per performance should be bigger than the per dollar performance, which is P divided by 10. So in this function right here, 1 plus 2.7% times P, which is the total performance, and the dollar sign plus 10, which is the total dollars. So this right here is the total performance per dollar performance, total per dollar performance, and it's supposed to be bigger than the per dollar performance for the MIPS nights. So solve that equation, we finally get the dollar sign is smaller than the 0.27. So the maximum price for the MIPS FP is 0.27.